Excel ribbon and their commands.
Function button menu. Inserting a function into the current cell. Example, I am clicking the function sum. It is inserted into the current cell. Suppose I am giving an enter key. The above data is totaled in the current cell. We will discuss these topics detailedly in coming sections. Button menu fill. Here I am given a formula. I am selecting this formula with other cells. I am clicking now the fill down. Okay, all cells are filled with the formula. Again I am selecting just a value. I am selecting to down. Click the fill down. Just copying this value into down. The same way we can copy formula or data into right, up or left. In fill we can see the series. We can generate a serial number from this command. Example, I am giving a 1 here and I am selecting down. I am clicking series. The value is equal to 1. The stop value, I am giving a value. Suppose it is about 20, 2 to 20. I am giving here 20. Then I am giving OK. OK, serial number is generated. Again I am giving another example. The serial number is 100. I am selecting the serial number to down. It is about 120. 120. I am writing this value in series. The value 1, top value I am writing 120. Okay. Serial number is generated. Next, button menu clear. You can say clear all, clear format, clear content. I am selecting the data. I am using clear format. All formats are removed. Again I am going to clear contents. Okay, data is gone, but format is existing now. Again I am going to do the clear. The first one I am giving clear all. Data and format all is gone. Next button menu sort and filter. I am selecting this value. I am giving sort smallest to largest. Here a dialog box open and asking how to sort the method. First one, expand the selection. Second one, the continue with the selection. I am giving the expand the selection sort. Okay, the data is sorted. the smallest value is come. Again I am giving sorter filter, sort largest to smallest. Okay, large values come to first. Here I am giving another sorting with the selection. Example, here given the serial number that is not in order. Select the serial number, go to sort and filter. Then again the dialog box open and asking about the option. I am giving the option continue with the current selection, then sorting. Okay, only serial number is changed and is sorted, and other data are not sorted. Next to button menu, find and select. First one, find a value in the sheet. Example, click on find. I am giving a value. This value is already given here. Suppose 50. I am giving find next. The first 15 value is find in our data 50. Then again find next. Okay, it is in KV60. Again find next. It is in JM120. Then again find next. It is in A1050. Next one, find, select, replace. Replace, in replace asking find what. I am giving 50, replace with 100. I am clicking find next. A value is find 50. Here I am not replacing it. Again I am clicking find next. Another value 50 come. I am giving here replace. Okay, it is replaced, and go to the next appearance of the data 50. Again I am giving the replace. The next value come. I am giving replace. Okay, all data excluding the first one is replaced. Next one, go to a cell. Example, I am giving here A5000. It is gone to the cell number A5000. Again I am going to go to, here I am giving A1. Okay, it is returned back to A1.